Welcome back to our new session. In this session, we are going to discuss how to assign a company code to a fiscal year variant. In our previous session, we have created a fiscal year variant and it is FV. So we need to assign this FV to the company code which we have created earlier, okay, to the ABCT. Let's log into our SAP screen. The T code for assigning the company code to fiscal year variant is OP37. Hit enter. Click on the position. Search with the company code AB star. Hit enter. In the second column you could see ABCT Technologies. ABC Technologies. So here you need to give FV, the fiscal year variant which we have already created, okay, and click on the save. See here, no postings are possible without fiscal year variants. You need to hit enter until you get the save page, okay. Create a request, assign fiscal year variant. You guys understood, right? Until we get the request page, we need to hit enter, or else it will show like no posting periods are available for this without fiscal variants kind of error. So don't worry, it is a very minor error, and you hit enter until you get the request page, and after you could create a transport request and you could click on the save so that the data will be saved. Now once again let's check /n and give OB37 for assigning company code to fiscal year variant. Click on the position, search with AB star. See ABC Technologies, and the fiscal year variant we have assigned is FV, and it consists of 12 normal periods and 4 special periods, okay. I hope you guys understand about how to assign a company code to a fiscal year variant, and that's all for this session, guys. And I request you to give a like if you like my explanation, and I request you to share the video to your friends who are willing to learn Sap Fico and get experts. And I mostly recommend these courses for the beginners in order to learn more, and subscribe my videos for more upcoming sessions. And thank you, have a great day.